Hey everybody, good morning, Rob Moffett. Guys, just went to Home Depot and I got some plywood on top of the car. A lot of people don't know about trucker hitches. This is one way, instead of getting straps, you can just use cord and it makes a really tight, secure attachment to your car. And basically you just take a piece of rope or line that's 3 times the width of your car. I'm about 6 feet on my car, so just like 3 lengths of your arms spread wide. Be 18 feet. So that's all you need. Put a loop in one end, and then I'm going to untie it so you can see where we're at here. You want to put a little bowline, a little loop in one end. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, because you're going to put this loop in the car, then throw the end over and bring it inside of the car. And this is the other end that's coming in the car. And then you're going to put another loop part way toward the end. And then you're going to be able to lace them through the loops. And you can make as tight a rope as you want. Because you can see here, here's the first loop we put in. We put the line over the car. It came in the other side. And then we made another loop here. And then we put the very end of our rope through the first loop, and then we brought it back over to the second loop and laced it, then brought it back to the second one, kept pulling on it, and as we pulled it, it got tighter and tighter. And you can make the stuff you're carrying on top of your car as secure as you want with a little trucker's hitch. Before I unlace them, let me show you how tight they are. This is how tight it is. Of course, I'm securing the rack with the same knots. This is the line for the plywood, and these 2 blue lines are the lines that hold the rowing platform I have that I'm using as a luggage rack. This is the rowing platform using as a luggage rack. This is hopefully keeping the paint protected.